Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of our Stickii Club Advent Cup. Here we go. I started using a bookmark of a sort. Here is day 6 in our Advent collection of stickers in envelopes. Today we have AINNARTSU.png. I'm not even going to try. See if I can get you a close-up. So we're back to food. Boy, those look yummy, don't they? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Ice cream. Look at that ice cream sundae. Look at how gorgeous that is. Wow. It's got gold foil and everything. Wow. Okay. And here is, I'm not sure what this is. Chocolate sticks, I think, and made up as sort of a cake. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. We haven't done anything on the bottom for a few days now, so let's pick a bottom sticker. How about some hearts? Because why not? I don't know if those blue things are, they must be blueberries. So we'll do blueberries, right? They can't just be blue bubbles, can they? Oh. Just little blue bubbles. I think they're blueberries. That makes more sense. And we'll put them with the strawberry. There we go. Fruit. All righty. There we go, folks. Day 6 completed.